Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for a little extra lighting in your desk area? This is a great desk light from Reifeiniwei, and it provides lots of lighting options so that you can have all the light you need to get your work done. My daughter has been using this when she's doing her schoolwork, and it really provides some extra lighting that she needs, especially as the afternoon comes and the days might be a little bit short. The light has so many different options, and it even has different color lights, making it for a really fun experience. There's also an option where you can hit the button and the lights just alternate. So you could use this just as a really fun background at a meeting or to provide just some fun with your day. I really like that the light is really strong and durable, so it clips on really well to the side of different surfaces, and the light plugs in either by USB, so you can attach it right to your computer, or you can connect it right to the wall with a block. The light itself with the arm is super bendy and friendly, so you can really put this light in any direction that you need. And if it's providing a little too much light, you can dim it with one of the many options, or you can just turn it away. It's a nice LED functional light that provides so many different lighting options. So depending on what time of day it is or what you're doing, you will have all the light you need for your workspace. But that's just my point of view.